Hello, beautiful students. Welcome to class 3 of the Beginner Bead Course. If you're just joining this channel or you're just watching this video, you can as well go back to my previous video to watch step by step of how to start any beaded bag. So, on our today's video, we're going to learn how to tie, how to talk, how to cut, and how to add a fishing line to a beaded mat. So guys, let's get straight into the video. First, you're learning about how to tie a beaded mat when you have a very short fishing line. Now I have a very short fishing line. We're learning now how to tie a fishing line. So let's place this fishing line into the bead. Let's just make our normal ring of 4. Let's make our normal ring of 4. We had 2 beads. We had 2 beads. Okay. Now let me make another one more. So now I want to teach you how to tie. Now first you put this your 2 bead inside the fishing line, and now we are not putting this left line inside the bead. We are going this right fishing line, we are going to insert it inside this bead that is here. Can you see? We are not crossing this time. We are just putting back this right fishing line back inside this bead. Can you see? Yeah. So now this is what we are having. So our fishing line now is inside this bead here. What we're going to do now, I don't tie my beaded mat or beaded bag, because once you tie, if you want to pass your line into that bead that you tie, you're going to be having a very difficult work. So now this fishing line, we're going to be passing it zigzag into this beaded mat. We're going to be passing it zigzag just like this. You put it here. You understand the zigzag I'm talking about? You put your bead here, then you pass it into the bead by the right. And you see, now our fishing line is on inside this bead. Now we are passing the fishing line inside this next bead inside there, just like zigzag method. And you do the same also to the left fishing line. So guys, go and do that. You're going to make putting it here till you get here. Then we come back and I teach how to cut. So guys, I finished tucking my fishing line into the bead in a zigzag motion. Now I have my fishing line here and I have my fishing line here. Now we're about to cut this fishing line. So guys, this is how you cut. You have to, when you're cutting, you don't just cut like this, just cut like this. No, you'll be having a fishing line outside. When you're cutting, you have to pull your fishing line very well. You pull it, you pull so that you don't have any fishing line outside the bead. Can you see what I just did? If you don't pull like this, if you don't pull harder or tighter, you'll be having a very bad work. And look at the fishing line popping outside here. So if you are cutting, you need to pull very well. You need to pull it very well so you don't have a loose job. So look at guys, can you see now that this is what I just cut, and our fishing line is not showing at all. It's not showing, unlike this one, because I don't pull tighter. I'm having a fishing line outside and it's not nice. So guys, if you're working, you have to know this. You have to pull your work very well. Now guys, we want to learn how to add a new fishing line after you finish cutting, or after you have a very short fishing line. So guys, you just have to cut another fishing line. You need to cut another fishing line. Any fishing line you can undo. If you cut, don't cut it too long or too short. So guys, you cut a new fishing line. So after cutting that new fishing line, guys, look at where our work stopped, here and here. Our work stopped here. So now you're placing this fishing line into this bead, this one and this one, to continue our ring of 4. So you're putting this bead here, fishing line here, and you're putting the next fishing line here. So can you see? And you have to make your fishing line come together, meet together in the same place. One should not be longer than the other one. So you put your fishing line together like this. And now can you see that our fishing line is meeting here, here and here. So guys, this is how you had a new fishing line when you have cut your. So let's bead. You take 2 bead. Don't forget, this is our right and this is our left fishing line. This is the left, this is the right fishing line. So this, your bead is going into the right fishing line, and I'm using the cross method right now. So you insert it inside the bead and you just pull your work, and that's how. It's not something hard. You just pull tight. So let me pass the next one. So guys, can you see now that our fishing line is secured into the bead? So now to build your beaded mats, you're going to be inserting, you now want to turn, right? You're going to be inserting 2 bead inside the left, not the right one now, because we're going to be moving up, making another line. Your bead is going into the left fishing line, just like this, and your right fishing line you're crossing with it. So guys, so that's just all about how to tie, how to tuck your fishing line, and how to cut, and how to add a new fishing line. It's not something hard, guys. And that's all for our today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment if you have any questions about beading. Bye, and see you on our class 4 Beginner Bead Course.